Welcome to the beautiful state of Montana. What's up, everybody? This week's video is going to be me comparing an iPhone, comparing an iPhone camera to this camera, which is the EOS M50. So, we'll be comparing this to this, and I'll show you some clips. First thing is you need to make your settings in your phone. So, I'll show it right up here. You have to go to settings, then camera, then it'll show record video, record slow-mo. You can change those settings to where, I don't know what phone you have, but you might have a 4K option. If you want like something for Instagram that like tons of people will see, put it into 4K. If you want to do a video, do like 4K, 60 frames per second, and then shoot a quick video, whatever you want to do, and then turn it off that, and put it back to like the lowest resolution. Put it to the default. That way you'll be able to send videos and stuff to other people. Now for slow-mo, it depends on how much you use slow-mo. I don't use slow-mo that much, so I keep it at the lowest resolution possible. That way it doesn't back up too much on my phone, and when it does, that way when I do take slow-mo, it's really crisp and many frames per second, where if I had, if I had it really low frames per second, that means it's not going to look like slow-mo at all. Frames per second and resolution are two things that describe your camera. So, right now I'm shooting in 24 frames per second. So that way I do this, you can see it's nice and blurry. That way you can tell that there's nice motion blur. 24 frames per second is what to vlog at, if you guys don't know that. Resolution is how many pixels per inch are on your screen right now. So right now I'm filming in 1080, which means if you were to zoom in right here, it'd be okay. It wouldn't be great. You couldn't like use that photo for something. But let's say I was shooting in 4K. 4K would mean that you could zoom in and there'd be a lot. You could just use that as your picture. Essentially, it's how many pixels per inch are in your video or photo. Now, don't worry if your phone or camera cannot shoot in 4K. 4K is also a bear to take care of. So if I was to take a 30-second video in 4K, that's like way more storage than I need if I just took a 1080 video. So right now I'm doing with very small file sizes. If I was shooting 4K, it's a lot harder. It's a mess. I'm showing you one photo from each camera and a video from each camera, and then you'll have to guess. I'm filming the same resolution, 1080 and 60 FPS. If you guys don't know what those are, hopefully you remember by now. Right now you are seeing option A, and right now you're seeing option B. Which one do you think it is? Comment down below, let me know. And now I'm going to show you the answer. A is the M50 right here, and B is this guy. So if you could tell, let me know down below. Now it's time for the video. Right now you're seeing option A, and right now you're seeing option B. Let me know which one you think. Let me know. Okay, now option A was this, and option B was this camera right here. Were you able to tell? Let me know down below. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out. If you guys like content like this, feel free to subscribe. It really helps me out. And I'll see you in the next video.